In this video, we will explore how to create profiles, hosts and users within the ProVisit system. In this demonstration, we are logged into ProVisit looking at the dashboard or the home screen. How do we create a new user or a host? First, click on People on the left-hand side. Our demo build is based on Wonka's Chocolate Factory. In this scenario, we want to set up Charlie Bucket as a new employee, create his profile and grant user access. We just need to check if he already has a profile in our system. Check by selecting Employees. Then search by the name Charlie. As typing starts, we can see that no profile for Charlie currently exists. This means we can create his profile and set him as a system user. To do this, we go over to the plus button on the right-hand side in the corner. Then choose Create a Profile. This is how you create any type of profile within ProVisit. In our scenario, we're interested in creating Charlie Bucket as an employee, as a host and with a user account. Select Create a Profile. You can choose a visitor type from the drop-down options. These are options which have already been generated in settings. And on this occasion, we are selecting Charlie to be an employee. We can type his name. Which company is he from? He's from our company, to be a Wonka's employee. Wonka's is set up on the system, so we can find our company and select. Now enter his email address and a mobile number if we have one. If we wanted to, there is the bulk import option for creating multiple employee profiles. This is done by downloading the spreadsheet template option down here. Simply populate the template with all the employees and their data. Then import that spreadsheet back into the system. On this occasion, we're just going to create one user, which is our new employee, Charlie. Once all the correct details have been entered, we simply hit the Create button. Our new employee Charlie has his own profile. Now we can provide him with a user login. To do this, click Edit on his profile. Then under User Login, click the Create User Account button. We ensure that the Enable Login button is toggled on to allow access. Which account type will he have? If he was from outside the company, like a contractor, he would be an external user. Because he is an employee, we will make him an internal user. Save those changes. We now need to select the location Charlie is based at, if there is more than one option. Under Locations, we can click the Add Location button. Available options are contained in our drop-down box. In this scenario, there are two locations. Let's select the head office. We are asked whether we would like Charlie to host visitors at this site. Charlie will have the authority to create invitations and host visitors, so we will allow host and give him access across all zones within the company. Associate the setting to his profile. We can see his profile is now active at head office. It's active for all zones, and he has the ability to host. We can do exactly the same for the factory site if we wanted the same settings at that location too. Associate this, and now his profile is active across two locations, head office and the factory. If he had an access card or a token, you can select tokens and add this here. There is the choice of barcode or RFID and to give the token a name and value. The option to enable quick sign-in and token expiry is here too. In this scenario, Charlie's user profile has been created. We now need to decide what role or level of access will Charlie have. To do this, scroll down the left-hand side and go to Settings. Down at the bottom, go to Users. Charlie Bucket is showing as a user within our system. However, Charlie's role has not yet been allocated. Let's change this from no role to an admin one, which allows full access. You can select any of these other pre-selected roles, or you can create a new one that is bespoke. Please view the Creating Roles video to see how to create a new one. In this example, we'll give him admin access and save. After Charlie logs into the system, he will be able to choose two-factor for extra account security. We just need to remember to select locations. Again, making sure that he can have access to the relevant sites. The final step is to go back into his profile. Click on People and Edit. Now go to User Login and send the welcome email. Charlie will have received an email enabling him to log in with full access via his own account. The user account setup is complete. Another video features profiles and user access specifically for external contractors, which may be helpful. Thank you for watching.